In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Sharex for capturing scrolling content on your Windows computer. Sharex is a versatile and powerful tool that lets you capture images, create screen recordings, and so much more, making it a must-have for anyone dealing with digital content. To begin, the first step is to launch the Sharex application on your Windows computer. You'll typically find this either on your desktop or in the Start menu. Simply click on the icon to open the program, and you'll be greeted with its user-friendly interface. Now, to initiate a scrolling capture, you'll need to navigate to the Capture section at the top menu of the Sharex window. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Scrolling Capture. This feature is tailor-made for capturing long web pages or documents that don't fit on one screen. However, if you prefer convenience and want to streamline the process in the future, Sharex allows you to set up a custom hotkey. This is a great option if you frequently perform scrolling captures and wish to do so more efficiently. To set a custom hotkey, go to the hotkey settings found in the main panel. Once there, select Add, and you'll see different options under the Category section. Choose Screen Capture from this list. Afterward, look for the option labeled Start/Stop Scrolling Capture and assign a hotkey to it. This hotkey will now allow you to initiate or stop a scrolling capture with just a quick keyboard shortcut. With that in place, let's proceed to actually capturing your content. After you've initiated the scrolling capture via the menu or hotkey, click and drag your cursor to select the area of the screen you wish to include. This selection stage is crucial as it ensures that you capture exactly what you need without any unnecessary content. Once you've selected your preferred area, Sharex will handle the rest. It will methodically scroll through the section you earmarked and automatically capture the whole length. Watch as it efficiently processes through the content, saving you the trouble of manually scrolling and capturing. Upon completion, Sharex will present the captured image, highlighting what has been captured. From here, you have two key options. Save the image directly to your computer in your desired format, or open it in Sharex's built-in image editor for further tweaks and enhancements. This editor is especially handy if you need to annotate or modify the image before sharing or using it in a project. And that's it. You've just learned how to leverage Sharex for scrolling captures. Whether you're archiving long articles, documenting work, or sharing detailed visual content, this tool simplifies the process and boosts your efficiency. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.